So hi guys, my name is Manav. Welcome to my channel. So in my Python series, today we are discussing about comments and docstring. So hope after this video you will get idea what is a comments and what is a docstring, why we are using a comment and why we are using a docstring. So first, what is a comment? So basically, uh, code is code is a basically code is what machine can understand, and comment is what that human can understand. So what happening when you working on any of the enterprise level solutions, any of the enterprise level things, that time what happen, lots of developer are changing on every month, on every weekly basis if project is big. So what happening, one developer has write that code, but how other developer can understand that code? So that time comment will be very useful, because one developer has write that code and he has put some comment on that code. So based on that comment, that other developer should understand what is happening on this code. So that is why comments are very important when you write code. So simple code, it's fine if you not write, but when you are working on a very big scale application, or when you are working, when you creating any end-to-end solution, that type comments are very useful. Without comments you can't write any single line of code. Okay, so likewise, code tells the computer what to do, but commands tells human what's going on. So I have already told you this, right? Python give you three way to Python give you three ways to document your codes, using hash, single line, then block comments, then triple quote, docstring. So we'll discuss one by one everything. Okay. So how you write a single line of comment, like using hash. So like this is the hello world, right? So if I can write, this is the print statement, statement, it will print hello world to console. If you can see, so let me connect my kernel. Okay. So if you can see, so when Python goes code will be executed, it will ignore this line because it is a command. It has started with the hash. So the interpreter will be understand that this is the command. I have to ignore it. This is only for human. What is going on this code? That is why machine will not understand this line. Okay. So now we are moving ahead with the block comments. So block comments is basically when you write a multiple comments for multiple lines of chunks of code. So if you can see hash hash hash, okay. So this hash hash hash, it's a block comment. So we have write a block comment. This is also we can consider as a block comment. Okay. So if I run this code, it is visible. Okay. So if you can see, comments aren't just for a note. You can put hash in front of a line to temporarily disable it without deleting it. Handling while debugging. This is also one kind of advantage of comment. Like example, uh, in both of the sprint statement, if I was doing some operation like a equal to c plus 3, okay, but this chunk of code is creating an issue. So then I was put a hash, I was put a hash, and it will be execute, it will be ignored during the execute by interpreter. Okay, if I run this, so this is very useful when you guys are doing debugging, and when you guys are working on very large scale application. The code is not a 2 line of 3 line. The lines of code is line number of code is 1,000 million. Then that time, if you have to do a debugging, this single line of comment this has is very important. Okay, now we are discussing about triple quote string, which is a doc string basically. So you can use this 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Inside this, what you writing, it is stands for a doc string, or you can say triple quote. So we can moving, I'll show you here. Okay, so this is the method. Basically it is doing summation. So what this method is does, you can put inside this document, inside this uh, description. So when user will be do hover in into this method, so you can see here, return the sum of a and b. So it's kind of clearly visible that what this method is does, and what is a return what what's come written out of this method. So this is the method doc. Using you print what is, oh sorry, okay, this doc is a keyword. Using, you can print a doc string of the particular method. Okay, the doc string is basically when we are using it inside the method only, because method is what is a method and how we are declaring the method, that we are discussing in upcoming series, upcoming videos. Okay, so don't worry. This is the help method. Using, you can see what is a entire innerwear of the method. If you can see, help function add to module into main, this is the add, this is the parameter, and this is the return, which is a doc string. So this is the same thing which I have shown you above. And see, doc string print by help, this is also same thing. Okay, and this is the multi comment and single comment. Another example. So in a recap, we have just seen single line of comment, multi-line of comment, doc string, why comments are very important. So hope you like this video, uh, and see you in the next one. Thank you.